Today, we're comparing Neolemon and Midjourney to AI tools built for very different kinds of creative work. So here's the character we made using Neolemon. Below the Generate button, you can see the Use Action Editor. We click that to proceed. This will bring us to Action Editor window. This tool in Neolemon helps you to customize your character's action without resulting to inconsistent output. We typed in jumping up excitedly with both arms in the air as our action prompt. After that, we hit Generate. As you know, Neolemon is best for cartoon storytelling. It also generates fast, with up to 5 seconds of character generation. Awesome, right? Output's done. Notice that the prompt we just keyed in earlier matched the generated cartoon. Neolemon follows prompt keyed in very well. Let's try another prompt. This time, we want our pirate character to run forward with an adventurous expression. This is exciting. Let's see. Neolemon can only generate one output at a time, but it generates accurately. Look at that! Nicely generated output, true to its prompt. Fantastic. Next, we change our character's action to waving happily with a wide grin. Let's test and see the outcome. Wow, look at how our character remained its consistency, despite us changing actions. Amazing, isn't it? How about we change the action to pointing forward with excitement, as if spotting treasures? Let's hit that Generate button. Nice, very nice. Our prompt and the generated output matches. Now this time, we change to sitting cross-legged and thinking deeply. Tough prompt. Let's see how Neolemon does it. That right there is awesome. Love it. Look at the details. Still consistent. Once you define a base character face, outfit, proportions, Action Editor uses that reference, so each new image you generate retains the same character identity. Same look, same body features, even when the character is doing a different action. Action Editor solves that by locking the character's visual features and controlling changes only where you want them. Moving to Midjourney, shall we? Now, we used the same prompt building our pirate character. If you notice, Midjourney can do batch generate 4 at a time. So here's how we edit action in Midjourney. Let me key in my action prompt first, jumping up excitedly with both arms in the air. After that, we take the image of our character and use it as a reference. Let's choose the 4th image as our character reference. We will click and hold and drag the image to the Omni Reference. Then we adjust the Omni Strength slider and set it to the fullest, which is 1000. Then we hit Generate. Omni Reference is a Midjourney feature that allows a reference image to influence multiple aspects at once, not just style, but also subject traits, materials, structure, and visual identity. Midjourney prioritizes style over prompt. And as you notice, it also has a slower generation, up to 60 seconds. The outputs are done, and take a look of the variations generated. When you compare it from our character reference, the output totally changed. The difference is obvious. This is our main character and also our reference. And this is the output generated based from the prompt we just keyed in. Comparing to Neolemon, this is quite hard to control, and our character totally drifted from the reference. Let's try again. We still use the 4th image as our reference, and drag it to the Omni Reference. We also drag the same image to Style Reference and Image Prompts. We type running forward with an adventurous expression on the prompt. Let's see. I'm fast-forwarding this part of the demo video to view the outcome. Let's check the generated outputs and review it accordingly. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. This output looks decent, somehow. Let's repeat the process and do another one. This time we will use waving happily with a wide grin as our action prompt. Let's go! Again, let me just speed up this part of the video. for us to see the image generated. Here we go. Time to review the images generated. Now, if you are a beginner, I am sure that you will find this frustrating. Let's try another prompt, shall we? We are repeating the same process. Use the same character reference we chose earlier and drag to Omni Reference, style references, and image prompts. Let's speed this video. Do note that it doesn't affect the generation time of Midjourney. Now we have a new set of actions generated, using the character reference we chose earlier. Just to refresh everyone, we are using this as our character reference. Here in Midjourney, we did not change anything. We repeat the process, and let's generate one more action. This time, we are using sitting cross-legged and thinking deeply as our action prompt. Let's just see how Midjourney fare on this. Almost done. And look at the generated variants. What do you think? Here's Neolemon versus Midjourney when applying actions. Neolemon keeps the character's identity locked. Same face, same proportions, same outfit, no matter the pose. Midjourney generates something close, but the details shift. If you need real character consistency across scenes, that difference matters. Create your character once in Character Turbo. Then use the Action Editor to change poses, expressions, and scenes without losing identity. You're not regenerating, you're refining. And as for Midjourney, even with Omni Reference at full strength, Midjourney regenerates variations, not the exact same character. Details shift. Identity drifts. Neolemon edits the character. Midjourney reimagines it. Both tools are powerful, just built for different goals. Neolemon is for fast, consistent cartoon storytelling. Midjourney excels at photorealistic, style-driven visuals. It's not about better, it's about fit. Choose based on what you're creating.